B Slim, Brown Poetics, Sick P. We back in this. Shoutouts to Kristy. Y'all feel me? It's the Brown Poetics. As I flex with finesse, I invade your fortress. Better than the rest. Never claim to be the best. No stress, feel blessed. I excite like hot sex. Stainless, cause you know we never rust. I just shows and prove when it's my turn to bust. It's a must. I crush who talk shit about us. From a mental, assemble words then I touch the listeners. I move the crowd with no gimmicks. My tongue's prolific. I make fans from critics. Terrific. I'm well defined, rhyme gifted. Your eyes shifted, so I aim to lift your spirit. With this boom bap feeling, beat blazing through the ceiling. Hip hop's in shape with its truthful meaning. Now tell me, can you handle this? Kristy, we bring the realness.
What's up to my people? Do my get it stand up?
About time they know which crew's on top.
To my homies in the caller, y'all know what's up.
City to city, we connecting the dots.
Shoutouts to Dip-10, all hip-hop's the boot.
To my real MCs, just keep doing what you do.
Illo, Manila, we ain't forget about you.
We keep it moving straight up to the music, we stay true.
What's up to my people? Do my get it stand up?
About time they know which crew's on top.
To my homies in the caller, y'all know what's up.
City to city, we connecting the dots.
Shoutouts to Dip-10, all hip-hop's the boot.
To my real MCs, just keep doing what you do.
Illo, Manila, we ain't forget about you.
We keep it moving straight up to the music, we stay true.
Never the type to get into the hype. Keep it dead stocks and quick strikes. I stick with my white knights. Nights a gamble, better roll up the dice. Better hope that we gon' make it through the night. What? Don't need the spotlight as long as my rhyme's tight. Got some stage fright, but we still blow up the mic. Empty a couple bottles, just living the life. I'll show you a thing or two and how to do it right. It takes balls to perform shows on the road. That's why I go into beast mode, repping my zip code. Treated as an outcast, labeled as a villain. But the B-piece just chilling like Bob Dylan on penicillin. On the grand scheme of things, would be the dream team. Making fly hooks, sky hooks like Kareem, now I mean. It's hip-hop with breathing, so don't give me a reason to stop rocking this microphone that I'm feeding. What's up to my people? Do my get it stand up?
About time they know which crew's on top.
To my homies in the caller, y'all know what's up.
City to city, we connecting the dots.
Shoutouts to Dip-10, all hip-hop's the boot.
To my real MCs, just keep doing what you do.
Illo, Manila, we ain't forget about you.
We keep it moving straight up to the music, we stay true.
Word up, son, silky smooth up in this joint. Brown Poetics, DJ Kristy up in this beat. Yo, we out. What's up to my people? Do my get it stand up?
About time they know which crew's on top.
To my homies in the caller, y'all know what's up.
City to city, we connecting the dots.
Shoutouts to Dip-10, all hip-hop's the boot.
To my real MCs, just keep doing what you do.
Illo, Manila, we ain't forget about you.
We keep it moving straight up to the music, we stay true.
What's up to my people? Do my get it stand up?
About time they know which crew's on top.
To my homies in the caller, y'all know what's up.
City to city, we connecting the dots.
Shoutouts to Dip-10, all hip-hop's the boot.
To my real MCs, just keep doing what you do.
Illo, Manila, we ain't forget about you.
We keep it moving straight up to the music, we stay true.